Trouble with TV code lookup? Here's your solution.
Hello, folks. If you've been trying to pair your universal remote with your TV and the TV code lookup just doesn't seem to be working, don't worry. We're here to help. In this video, we'll walk you through the different methods you can try to resolve this common issue. Remember, patience and persistence are key.
Check your code list again.
Start by revisiting the list of codes provided with your universal remote. Ensure that you're using the correct code for your TV's brand. If you have a newer TV model, the code might not be in the old remote's manual. In this case, you can search online or contact your remote's manufacturer for the updated code list.
Try the auto code search feature.
If you've tried all the possible codes for your TV and none of them work, use your remote's autocode search feature. This function will scroll through every code in the remote's database until it finds one that works with your TV. The exact method for initiating this feature varies by remote, but the instructions are typically found in the remote's manual.
Check the remote's compatibility.
If you're still having trouble, consider that the remote might not be compatible with your TV. Not all universal remotes work with all TVs. Check your remote specifications to see if it's meant to be used with your TV brand and model. If not, you might need to buy a new universal remote that is compatible.
Reset the remote.
Finally, if none of the above steps work, try resetting your remote. Unplug your TV and remove the batteries from your remote. Wait a few minutes, then reinsert the batteries and plug your TV back in. Then, repeat the code entry process. Thank you for watching this video guide. We understand that technology can sometimes be a bit challenging, but with a little perseverance, you can troubleshoot and solve this problem. Remember, if all else fails, reaching out to the manufacturer's customer support is a good final step. We hope this video has been helpful, and here's to getting your TV and remote in perfect harmony.